Bowling Green visiting Springfield. The Blue Devils undefeated on the young season already. First quarter, Springfield turned a defense into offense. Kendall Carruthers gets the steal, goes coast to coast. Can't get it to fall, but Markiah Cunningham, she's there for the putback, and the Blue Devils are out to an 8-0 run. Bobcats beat the press, pass up ahead to Lola Thompson. She goes off glass for 2. Bowling Green trails by 7. Second quarter, top of the key. Jay Battle knocks down the triple. The Blue Devils' 5th 3 in the quarter. Springfield, they take a 36-10 lead at the break. In the third, Carruthers, showing off the handles, gets the runner to go. 2 of her 25 points on the night. 58-23 the final from Springfield. A complete team effort as the Blue Devils improve to 4-0.
My teammates are very supportive. We always cheer each other on the bench. I think we got one of the best benches in the NLL. And we always do team bonding events to stay together. So it's very good. In practice, we're going to try to play harder because we know we're just trying to win and get a good record.
Perfect on the season and a perfect pair. Jason Griffin and Rick Poland join us from Springfield.
An NLL girls basketball matchup here at Springfield. Rick Poland, and this game was tight early on. It was a 10-point lead for Springfield. They call a timeout. They went on a run. They never looked back. 60-23 the final.
Yeah, and sometimes it happens with a young team. They come out. It's a game where they probably were expected to win, and you have to get your team maybe back fired up again. But, boy, did they get fired up.
Yeah, they win it tonight handily. The second half was all Springfield. Kendall Carruthers, what a great performance. 25 points for the junior, and she was on fire.
Well, she's been that way since the start of the season. She's been their leading scorer in the first 3 games that they played. So not surprising, but really had a big night tonight.
The Hodges sisters also could light it up from behind the arc. Sigmund had 6 blocks, 10 rebounds. We were talking about during the broadcast, it's not just Carruthers. She has a lot of help.
A lot of balance on this Springfield team, and they're going to be a force to be reckoned with in the conference.
So they get the win. They're now 4-0 on the young season. First time they've been 4-0 here at Springfield in over a decade. Coach Hodges and the Blue Devils get it done. Final score is 60-23.